Want to fix apps that refuse to download on your iPhone? First, open Settings and scroll down to Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then select iTunes and App Store purchases. If installing apps is set to Don't Allow, switch it to Allow. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode or reset it with your Apple ID. Next, return to Settings and tap App Store. Under Cellular Data, enable app downloads and switch automatic downloads to Always Allow so you can download apps even on a mobile connection. Then test your internet speed by opening Safari, navigating to a speed test site, and confirming you have at least 5 megabits per second. If downloads are still stuck, sign out of your Apple ID. Go back to Settings, tap your name at the top and choose Sign Out. If Sign Out is grayed out, reopen Screen Time, disable the Screen Time passcode under Change Screen Time Passcode, then return to your Apple ID page to sign out. Finally, sign back in with your Apple ID and try downloading your apps again. That should resolve any stuck or failed app downloads. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite troubleshooting tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.